Good morning, everybody. My name is Jeff.White from World Class Guaranty RV. I'm here to show you a used Arctic Fox 811 truck camper we just got in. It's in really good shape. It's a 2016 811 Arctic Fox truck camper. Comes with your ladder on the back so you can get up on top. It has a rear awning that comes out here. It extends out quite a ways, really. You'd be surprised if you come and look at it and we show you. Now remember, the Arctic Fox is the one that has a lot of people up on the roof, like 20 or 30 people. So yes, you can get up on the roof very easily. It comes with a 2500 watt Onan generator. Has a nice Fox landing steps. You just fold it up like that and it's all set to go. This folds in. Very user friendly. And one thing we can do, if you'd like, is we can change out the handrail and put a grab rail right here too if you'd like to have. Not necessary. You remove this and it has a great big storage area underneath here. Tray to store things in. I mean, until you see it, I mean, it's super long. This is like 4 foot long. Put fishing poles, tackle, guns, hatchets, shovels, whatever you want in here. Nice and deep. Very, very user friendly. And it has a little lock that keeps it from coming out. And all you do is just slide that step back on there. So around over on this side, you have a little compartment area with your battery kill switch. And you got access to your drains, plumbing drains and stuff. Electric jacks. Propane tanks. And you get those filled from us when you purchase. We do a complete walk around, show you how everything works. Remember, this is a 2016 Arctic Fox 811. You get new batteries, little storage area under here, kind of connecting to the other department right over there, and your battery compartment area. One thing I like about Arctic Fox is the tray pulls out, so it makes it very user friendly to get to them and work on them. You need to hook things up. You're not reaching in there trying to do all this stuff. Very, very nice. Very, very handy. Another plumbing access door. Here's your center of gravity. This is something I like about Arctic Fox. They make it really easy to know right where that's at. Short cord plug-in, 30 amp. Satellite ready. Auxiliary shower, so outside shower. Water heater area. Nice big windows out here for viewing area. LED lights. And these are Rayco electric jacks. Look at all the bolts that are on here to hold that on. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 15 bolts just on this side holding that on. What I like is they also have these nice bumpers, so when you back up with your truck, you don't hit the camper, you hit the truck with the bumpers right there, so you know when to stop. Nice little window right here from the bed of the truck into here, so you could put things into the bed of the truck if you'd like to. And look at the one-piece cap that's on this 2016 Arctic Fox 811. Very, very nice. Won't leak. Nice one piece. The decals are still in great shape. Over here we have a nice big slide and a bedroom window. This is the back of your refrigerator right here. And a nice little storage area underneath your dinette. And another window right up there. So remember, the electric jacks, 2016 Arctic Fox truck camper with a generator. And here's one other thing that's pretty cool is right here, you have it plumbed for gas, so you can hook up a barbecue right there, set it up right outside here, all ready to go. Let's go on inside and check this out, you guys. Really, really clean inside. Really, really nice. Beautiful furniture. Good colors that match everything. Nice little decal up here, even a little Arctic Fox logo right there. Just look at the grain on the wood right here, the routed edges and stuff. Comes with a nice air conditioning unit. Northwood refrigerator and freezer. Now that's plenty of room for almost a week out having fun. When we go camping, our refrigerator is that size. And we have an ice chest with a few extra fruits and stuff in it, but that's plenty of room for 1 week of camping. Nice little spice rack storage area, magazines, whatever you'd like to. The important thing is they try to give you all the storage space you can possibly utilize because you'll use it all. Arctic Fox gives you this nice little step that goes up into there so you can step up. You don't have to kind of crawl. Nice little screen to pull across. So if you wanted to take an afternoon nap after you went fishing in the morning, it's perfect for that. The other people can be in here doing their thing. They don't have to listen to you snore. And look up here. The beds are pretty comfortable. We got closets on both sides. You can hang things. Reading lamps. Fantastic fan. Plug-ins up there. If you're like me and you sleep with a CPAP machine, you can put that bad boy right there and plug it in. And all set. Nice little storage areas over here. Big storage area here. Hanging rack. And then I want to show you this extension. If I can get it off of here, that goes with the countertop. I think this is absolutely a fabulous idea. Oh, good, we got it undone. So what we do is we just move this bad boy out of the way, lean it over there, hopefully it don't fall. Get this little critter out of here. Pretty simple process really, but it gives you much needed. By the way, there's the window I was showing you from the outside. It goes to the bed of the truck. And all you do is insert in there, and you got more valuable counter space. Huge. Very, very nice. More storage over here. Adjustable shelves, and more storage there if you need it. So as far as storage goes, this has a lot. All your controls right here. AM, FM, CD player, air conditioning controls, all your levels, switches all in one spot, dual sink with covers. And by the way, these are nice cherry wood cabinets, solid wood, nice storage area above the sink, big old skylight right here, and look at this bad boy, a nice little screen to pull across to try to block the sun. If you were out and about in Eastern Oregon, Arizona, lots of sun coming through there. Nice light right here to hook up the window, so you're at the kitchen, you're doing your thing, and you got a nice screen you pull down if you don't want anybody seeing you. Storage underneath here, and here's where your silverware can go right here. And more spatulas, more tools. Nice birch drawers. Guides are aluminum, stainless steel. The guides are stainless steel with birch drawers. And remember, nice hard cherry wood. Nice microwave. That's pretty good size really. Fit probably a small little ham in there if you wanted to, but warm things up. Stainless steel appliances. Your hood with lights and a fan. 3-burner cooktop. And you can also use this to set things on if you need to. Nice little oven right there. Probably get some cookies baked in there, some game hens baked in there. And one thing I forgot to mention over here is we have storage underneath here also, easy to get to. Here's your heating ducts. This table lowers down, makes it into another bed. Let's see if we can. Well, we'll skip that part for right now. Table lowers down, makes it into a nice bed right here. More storage here. Pull out the drawer. Nice and deep. And then it has a nice big wet bath with a fantastic fan and a skylight in there. And those are really nice because it gives you more floor space in here, and everything's done in there. Whether you're showering or using the restroom. And I'm a big guy and I can fit in there, okay? Nice little spice rack. And I think these are adjustable, so you can have them whatever height you want to. And let's see what's down here in this little critter. More shelves. So like I said, it's just tons and tons of storage in this. It's just unbelievable. This lifts up, more storage right there. the air conditioning unit, speakers, LED lights. And behind us right there is the switch for outside, for the lights out on the porch. Well, you guys, we just got this 811 Arctic Fox 2016 truck camper in. It's in beautiful shape, really clean. If you'd like to take a look at it, please give me a call. My cell phone number is 541-671-1840. I'm Jeff.White at Guaranty. You can shoot me an email or text or phone call. My email is Jeff, Jeff.White at Guaranty.com. And if you can't remember Jeff, just remember Bam Bam. Everybody remembers the cartoon Pebbles and Bam Bam, and everybody knows I'm Bam Bam here. So please, you'll probably have questions on this, so give me a call, shoot me an email, text me or something like that. I'll be glad to show you this anytime, answer any of your questions, send you more pictures. Thanks for watching my video and have a wonderful day. Thank you.